Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Asana. And Asana can be really useful for you in order to manage your team or manage your time or even manage your personal projects. It can come quite handy in order to help you manage different stuff or different projects. So what we have to do first is just open up our browser and then search for Asana on it. And after that, just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and after that, this is where it will lead you to. After that, all you have to do is just click on this option of get started, and here you need to provide your email address and then click on sign up. Just click on sign up after providing your email address, and after that an email has been sent to your email address that you have just provided. Just open that email address and you will be able to see a link on it. Just click on that link and complete your account creation process. And if you don't want to open up the email and all, just click on this option of continue with Google, and then all you have to do is just sign up using your email account, the one that you just provided. And after that, you can just simply start with the process of account creation. Let's continue with Google for now. And after you sign in using Google, this is where it will lead you to. Then you need to provide your full name and click on continue. Then it will ask you what is your primary role, so they can help you out better and create your dashboard as such and all your projects as such, and all the templates will be provided according to your role. So you will be able to choose them accordingly and it will be helpful. So just click on it and then a list of roles will appear. Then you just need to select one of them. Suppose you are a freelancer who is managing a team, then you can just simply select freelancer and click on continue. After that, it will ask you what kind of work you do. So just select the roles or the work that you are related to. So you will be provided with the user interface which will be quite useful for you. So let me select mine, and you can select yours as per your requirements. You can select more than one over here and then click on continue. And then you need to select what is your main objective of using Asana, and you can select any of them, though you can change them later on, and you won't be limited to one kind of task after that. So just choose as per your requirements and as per your preference, and then click on continue. And if you're not sure what kind of projects you are going to use Asana for, then you can simply click on this option of I'm not sure yet. After that, it will ask you to set up your first project. So it is basically hand holding you and taking you on this journey of getting more productive with this platform. So you just need to provide all the answers which it is already asking you. So currently it is asking us what is it that we are currently working on. So we can just say, for example, that we are working on a YouTube channel. I'm just taking this as an example. You can just use it for other purposes and other projects as well. So let's click on continue for now. After that, it will ask you that what are the tasks that you do for your YouTube channel, and if you have named something else, then it would have replaced the YouTube channel over there. So like we want to create a video on cryptocurrency, so we will just type over here that video on crypto, and then a video on bank failure, how a bank can fail, and one more video would be on Asana, how to use Asana. And after that, just click on continue. We can change it all later on. It is just the beginning of it, so just click on continue for now. After that, it will ask us in what groups we want these tasks to be divided. So it has provided us that three different groups like to do, doing, and done. We can change them, or we can just let them be the way they are. So in our case, we can change it to like topic research, and after topic research we would want to write a script for that particular topic. So we would just type scripting, and after scripting we would want the video to be recorded on that particular topic. Video recording, and after that just click on continue, and then it will provide us 4 different options to choose from, and this way we can just mold our projects or the way our project will look like. And this is the way lists look like topic research will be on these topics. Then we can just simply move around with these topics on scripting and video recording part. And we can also change the different things over here, like the due dates, priority status, and all the other things. And we can also assign this particular topic research task to a particular member of our team, and this is the section where we can do it. And if we want to go for the timeline, this is how timelines look like. When we click on a particular timeline, then we can just see the details of it. And these small logos that you see before the topic are the assigned people who are assigned to do topic research on that particular topic. In that, this is the topic research section, and these 3 videos are in topic research. So these 3 people are assigned to research on these 3 topics. So when we move this to a scripting part, then we can assign that particular topic research to be scripted by a particular person. So this way a whole team can work together, and we know exactly who's working on that particular stuff or task. So this way the confusion between a team can be eliminated, and whole team can work together productively. And in the calendar, you will be able to see a calendar and the dates for it. Like if you want someone to do topic research for this particular topic on 13th of March, then just assign that particular task to a particular person for a particular date. So this is how you do it. But the board section is also comes quite handy. So what I usually prefer for these kind of projects is the board option. So I would just go with the board this time and click on continue. You can just choose appropriately according to your needs and requirements. So let me click on continue for now. And after that, it will ask you to add email addresses of your teammates and your email address as well. Just provide the emails and then click on continue. After that, it will also provide you the option to get Asana on other devices as well, like your mobile device, be it iOS or Android or your desktop. And yes, you can get it, so you will be able to see what's going on with your project on any of the device. So I'm just skipping it for now, but this is quite a useful feature of Asana. So this is where it will lead us to, and we get a 30-day free trial, which will start right from the day we get to create our account. And this will basically provide us all the features out there on Asana, whether paid or not. And after 30 days, we will be getting the basic free plan and not the paid features. And in order to get the paid features, you need to pay for them. So this is how you get it. Now let's click on this close button so we can see how we can work around on Asana. So this is how it looks like, the way we selected it all. So we can just simply click on a particular board or the topic research section. We can also add more sections over here. Like after video recording, we need it to be edited. So we can just add one more section over here and name it editing and click enter. After that, we need to publish our video. So we will just type over here published. And you can add as many groups as you want over here. And suppose this is the topic where the research is going on, all these 3 topics, we can just simply click on it. And the details regarding this particular topic will appear here. Here you can see that who has assigned this particular task. And when you click on this particular option, you will be able to see a list where you can see the urgency of a particular task. Like you want someone to do it today, then you can just select the do today, do next week, or this kind of stuff. Just choose accordingly. And also you can add a particular due date to it. And after that, you get to see some more details over here. And on the priority section, you can just select high, medium, or low as per your requirements. And in the description section, you can just simply add description to it, like what kind of things that need to be kept while researching for that particular topic. So this way the researcher who has been assigned this particular task knows exactly what the assignee wants from them, and this way they will be able to work in the right direction. You can also insert a link on it from where the researcher can research for a particular project. You can also record a video and add it if you don't want to write something, and this way you will be able to communicate better. And you can also mention anyone over here in that particular task. And suppose the researcher wants to know whether you want the research to be gone in a particular direction, then they can simply ask it over here and comment, and you can just reply to it. And if you want to know what's the status of the research, then you can just simply comment over here and mention that particular person who has been assigned this particular task and just ask them. So this way you will be able to communicate with your team in a much better way. And you can add people by clicking on this option of add or remove collaboration. And when a particular research has been done, then the person who has been assigned this task can just simply click on this option and click on scripting. So the person who has been delegated the task of scripting can work on it, or just click on it and it will be moved to scripting. Or there is one more way, we can just simply drag and drop it to scripting. And this is how easy it is to work on Asana. And in the similar way, when some person who's working on scripting or on this particular topic, they can also comment over here and ask you for the details and get the idea of how you want the script to be done. After that, they can move it to video recording, and in the similar way, the person who is responsible for video recordings can record the video, and after doing it all, they can just simply move it to editing. And this way one particular topic can be moved as per the completion of a particular task, and the whole team get to know about where the particular topic is being headed to, and everyone knows that who is working on a particular topic and who can be assigned for the next topic also. When you click on it, you will also be able to see other options as well on the top right corner. Like if you like the work of someone, you can just simply click on like, so the person who's working on it knows exactly that their work has been appreciated and approved. And you can also click on this option of attachments in order to attach some more files to it. You can add subtask to it by clicking on this particular option. And if you want to share this particular task, then you can just simply copy the task link and share it with other people. And this is just for full screen. And when you click on the three dots, then you will be able to see some more options over here. Like you can add it to another project, this particular task, and you can mark as a milestone. And if you want to approve some task, then just simply click on mark as approval. You can also add text to it, duplicate this task in order to do it again or some other purpose. And you can also convert this particular task as a template. There are some more options, just use them whenever they are required. And after that, let's see how the whole system of Asana works. Now, when you click on this particular option of workspace, you will be able to see that you have just one workspace for now, which is of YouTube channel. And when you click on this option of plus, then you can just use a template or create a blank project and name it accordingly. Like you want one more project in your Asana which is for managing Instagram, so you can just click on blank project or use a template over by clicking on this option of use a template, and then just simply create one more workspace which is for managing Instagram. And this way you will be able to create as many workspaces as you want for all your requirements, and you can invite people to a particular workspace by clicking on this option of invite people. And this way you will be able to invite them into your team, and you will be able to manage whole team together on this platform itself. So let's click on home for now and see how it all looks. So this is how it looks. You can customize this particular home section according to your way of working. And for completing your profile, you just need to click on complete your profile. And for downloading apps, you can just select this option. And in order to integrate your Asana with other platforms, you just need to click on this option of browse integrations. And here you can just connect Asana to Vimeo and your Zoom and other platforms. This way it will be quite hassle free for you in order to work around with other applications as well. You can invite your teammates by clicking on over here, and when you click on this option of my tasks, then you will be able to see all the tasks that has been assigned to you, so you can just look over on them from here and work on them. Inbox is quite easy. When you receive someone's message, that and then you can just simply check that in inbox. And in the reporting section, you can see how your team is working and how whole team has been working over the period of a time, and what are the tasks that has been assigned to them and what is the progress that they are making. So everything can be seen from this place, and this makes it quite easy for you to handle everything, and this enhances your productivity. So this panel of reporting is quite useful, and if you got goals, then you can just simply click on goals section over here and add goals to your personal self or your and for your team. Like, you just need to click on add goal, enter the goals name, and it will appear on the home page, so everyone will be able to see, or you can also be able to see as per you set the privacy to public or private. So this is how Asana works, and it was a beginners friendly tutorial. I hope this was helpful, and if you still need any help, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.